Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Splash cold water on your face to shock circulation and reset brain alertness, because cold constricts skin vessels and redirects blood. Once done, stand and run a full-body stretch sequence to lengthen muscles and increase heart rate. Make sure to expose yourself to fresh air or sunlight for 1 to 3 minutes. Light suppresses melatonin and signals wakefulness. Combine these 3 actions immediately to interrupt drowsiness and prime your body for the next active steps. You continue by raising your core activity. Do 2 minutes of brisk movement, marching, jumping jacks, or stair climbs to raise heart rate and oxygen delivery to the brain. Next, consume a quick high-protein snack or a 20-gram protein shake. Protein stabilizes blood sugar and sustains attention longer than carbs. Then hydrate with 250 to 500 milliliters of cool water to correct mild dehydration that causes fatigue. Once these are done, you'll have improved alertness for focused tasks without caffeine. You finish by structuring your time. Work in 20 to 30-minute focused blocks with 5-minute movement breaks to maintain steady attention and prevent relapse into sleepiness. If drowsiness returns, repeat a short movement and light exposure cycle immediately. This resets circulation and circadian signals. Make sure to track your sleep debt and plan restorative sleep soon. These techniques are temporary and not a replacement for adequate rest. If symptoms persist despite these steps, rest and medical advice are the correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.